Welcome back to Homestead, Japan. If you see me looking up somewhat perturbed, it's because I hear somebody buzzing around. Not good. Not what we want. Well, I don't hear anybody up here. It's also good. I have this block and tackle. We have these shelves, and I don't know how heavy they are. This might be the extra canteen out of all of those. That's not too bad. Kind of a waste to have them up here, just hanging out rotten. So my goal is to figure out this block and tackle here, or maybe the two of us can just carry him down. As long as she steadies it, I can take the heavy end. Yeah, these are just really steep stairs. That's the only big concern there. Now, on to the next task. So my jack has arrived, and it is time to off with the winter tires, back on with the regular season tires. Thought there might be more room, might be easier in here. Well, you guys are really hitting the window over here. What are you? Yeah, I don't normally keep the truck parked in here, the car parked in here. It's weird. Just because for insurance reasons, I'm not sure that I'm supposed to. It's kind of a weird thing when I searched on the internet. But yeah. Let's get going. Yeah, you can see. I will probably have to cut the audio from this because I don't want to wear my headphones and I want to listen to something.